What's up, everybody? This is Geeky Aviseq, and here uh, in Dallas, Texas. This is just another hot day. It's 103 degrees outside. Um, I just had ordered the Martian voice watch, uh, Amazon Alexa watch, a few days back from May.com, and it just got delivered. So I just wanted to do this kind of unboxing video to make sure. So the Martian notifier watch, the reason I was intrigued was that it has a tiny display built in and it has a regular watch, so you could get all the notifications into that built-in screen. And if it ran out of charge, but it would still, the analog part of the watch would still continue to work. And battery life seems to be pretty good from the different reviews that I have read so far. For me, many people just actually don't need a full-fledged smartwatch. All they care about is probably notifications, so a vibration alert and a little bit of text that shows notification, whether it's an email, what the email is about, if it's a text message, what's the text is for, if it's a call. The Martian notifier also allows you to control the camera. So let's see how it looks. So before I start unboxing it, I actually got the watch for $29, and then there was a flat shipping rate of $5, and then including taxes it was around less, just $38 or something, so just a little less than $40. So while on Amazon it sells much more expensive, and so whether, let's just find out if it's worth spending $40 on a smartwatch. Let me just start by opening this up. No scissors. Okay, so this is how the box looks. Says Martian life lived differently, and here's the model of the watch that I had ordered. Comes with a tan band and orange hands, so that's basically the PTL02. Inside a shrink wrap, let me cut open the shrink wrap. Find a good spot. Remove this shrink wrap. Oops, and there you go. That's the watch. So nice packaging. What it says, you have voice calls and commands, vibration alerts, LED notifications, LED alerts, tap to recall notifications, and what's included is voice navigation, alarm alerts, reminders, camera mode, and a phone leash. So basically, let's go ahead and dig into it. Seems like that's the USB charging cable. That's the watch. Stuck in there pretty high. Okay, there you go. I mean, everything feels pretty amazing so far. Here's the watch. I don't know if you can see it better. So let me just show you. So I think that's the microphone grill right there, and then you have 3 buttons. This is not the button. That's probably for the analog watch. Feels pretty light. There's probably the speaker, and that's the charging port. Kind of hard to. Okay, so yeah, so this does have a USB-C charging port. That's pretty nice to see. As you can see, it's a USB-C charging port, and not super thick. It's pretty light, so it seems like it's going to be comfortable. Yeah, The band says genuine leather, and let me, like, I don't know if you can see it. It says Martian, designed and engineered by Martian watches in California, USA. And they have the serial number and stuff. And there you go. So let me see how it works. Do I have to press anything? Let me remove the tab here. That fell off. So the analog piece is working. Let me adjust it to the current time. It's 7:39 here in Dallas. And I'm gonna 7:39 set. Let me see if there's a way to turn the thing on. Looks like there's an insert. Tells you it's in Chinese. Setup support notification. So it doesn't really tell you how to. There's one more insert. So it's a limited lifetime warranty piece. And then this is basically which tells you important notice. Set up and connect using the quick connect guide located on our website. So there's an insert for telling you that, which is kind of dumb. I don't know if it's completely out of battery. Just let me try holding the buttons. Okay, maybe the watch is completely out of battery, but this is how it feels. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge it up and then come back to it, but just do a kind of yeah, actually feels pretty nice, looks pretty good. I mean, what you guys think about it? Looks like a really nice classic dressy watch with this new black tan leather, the matte black finish with the orange hands. Pretty light, not super thick, seems pretty comfortable. So first impressions are good for a $40 watch, but we definitely have to charge it up and come back and see how it works. Alright guys, that's all for now, and wait for my next video. Once I charge up the watch, and I'll do a more detailed review. Do leave your comments, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.